Well, let's get Jeffries back again here. Doing a little more lawn maintenance here. Gonna actually overseed, I guess is what they call it. But I picked up this, that's a contractor's blend from one of the big box stores. They had a sale on grass seed. So this is what 18 bucks gets you at one of those stores. I think it's about a 7-pound bag, but we're gonna go ahead and get this thing seeded up. All right, let's go ahead and get this seed going, or at least into the container here. Might only have, I think, enough to do the front yard here, but we'll give her a go. We're supposed to get rain here in the next day or so. I think starting tonight and maybe tomorrow, so I figure it's a perfect time to get this seed out. Yeah, we'll go ahead and head out in the yard. We'll go ahead and see how this actually picks up. First time experiment doing this. Got my settings set to about 9, 10. I think that worked out pretty good last time. We'll see how it goes, and we have to adjust as we're going. Doesn't look like I'm seeing much seed action coming out of there. Yeah, we're gonna go have to adjust it up here. Let's crank that sucker up to maybe 11. Let's see if that does any better. Yeah, let's do a 12. Yeah, I guess these seeds are a little bit. Yeah, there we go. I think that's a good setting right there. Yeah, these seeds are a little bit longer than, I guess, the weed and feed that we had going on last time we were doing this. But looks like, if you can tell from the yard, a lot of the clover's been dying out. So hopefully planting some extra seed in here will get the grass to overpower the weeds and kind of let nature take on its own defenses. But we'll see. Keep going here. We may fast forward through some of this stuff. But pretty windy out here. I don't know what the quality is going to be on the audio, so. Yeah, it's pretty quiet here. It's Friday morning. Everybody's at work. I've been pretty busy. I was out in the garden earlier this morning. And, yeah, trying to think what else I did. Oh, did the normal 3-mile workout this morning. Get the juices going. But yeah, I may go in both directions if I've got enough. I mean, I'm not too concerned about the backyard. Like I said, it's the doggies' poop box, so they don't really care if it's green. And they've got that grass area by that fence so tore up from running around. I don't think that'll ever have grass back in it. They pretty much ruined it. The wolves are having a dog. We'll probably lose camera number 1. But hopefully the audio keeps going. Pretty good now. I think we got the settings dialed in, so it's about a 12 on this thing for grass feed. Yeah, we may have enough to do both front and backyard. And I always underestimate stuff. But like again, I mean, I'm not a professional lawn guy. Just doing my best to make stuff look good. Some craziness. Yeah, we're gonna kind of go both ways so make sure we got pretty good coverage. I'd like to kill these weeds. I think we might have to actually do another weed treatment. And it's not like I'm a big grass fanatic. I mean, I guess that hits certain people at a certain age, but I just want to make sure we have a decent looking yard, not something that'll embarrass you when people drive past. And I actually had the time to do something, so we're looking forward to seeing how much this effort puts out for this summer in the green grass, or if we just wasted our whole springtime just doing this mindless prep. But yeah, I think I'll finish up this slot here and head to the backyard. Try to finish up this backyard here and close this video out. Yeah, the side yard, as you can see, it's pretty green back here. We may turn that down a tick here just to make sure we can put a little bit of seed down all over. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see what this Digicam does as far as video from far away. I'm pretty impressed with everything so far, other than trying to make the camera go where you want it to go. Yeah, we'll go ahead and hit the side yard, the backyard area. Just some quick seed. Nothing fancy. Yeah. The thing with the Digicam, if you get out of reach, it'll just stay in one position and keep filming, which is kind of weird. Let's see if it'll pick me back up coming this way. There it goes, maybe. Yep. And I'm not going to hit too much on this back portion here. I mean, as you can see, the dogs have pretty much worn a path in there, so kind of futile. And I think I won't plant any seed near the garden area, because I eventually want to do rock around it. But again, these things, they're crazy. They're pooping machines. We'll see. Oh, there goes the camera. Yowzers. That was no bueno. Well, first fall, took it like a champ. Kind of scary. Yeah. This will be a quick run here. I mean, this wind is just too crazy today. I'd like to finish up one of the other videos I've been working on. Had camera failure, couldn't finish up that video, so that won't come out a week later. Yeah, the little things that you don't know about YouTube until you start doing YouTube. The woes, camera woes, edit woes, mic failures. It's crazy. Yeah, I guess 7-pound bag you can do half acre city lot, so learn things new every day. I might hit between the garden patch and hopefully this wind settles down. I've got the wind mic on, so hopefully that helps with the audio, but Digital and real life just doesn't seem to work out too well. This last bit of seed out. And maybe we'll try to plant it. But yeah, we'll finish it up. But anyways, I wanted to thank you guys for watching.